If you're trying to cook healthier meals while keeping your kitchen clean and efficient, a good oil sprayer bottle can make a surprisingly big difference. Instead of pouring excess oil or relying on chemical sprays, these handy tools give you precise control, reduce waste, and help you manage your daily intake. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best oil sprayer bottles that combine smart design, durability, and ease of use. Number 1. TrendPlain Olive Oil Sprayer for Cooking. Kicking off the list, this oil sprayer stands out with its smart dual-function design that lets you both spray and pour from a single bottle. That means whether you're lightly coating a pan or adding oil to a salad, you have full control without switching tools. The precision nozzle is designed to deliver either a fine mist or a steady stream, depending on how you press it. Each spray releases about 0.15 grams of oil, making it perfect for anyone looking to reduce calorie intake and cook more mindfully. Built with BPA-free glass, it's safe, odorless, and heat-resistant, so you can use it daily without worry. Add in lifetime support, and this becomes a reliable, long-term kitchen essential. Number 2. YARRAMATE Olive Oil Sprayer for Cooking. Coming in at number 2, this larger capacity oil sprayer is perfect for busy kitchens. With a 470 milliliter size, it reduces the need for constant refilling, making it ideal for families or frequent cooking. Like the first option, it features both spray and pour functionality, giving you flexibility across different cooking styles, from grilling and roasting to salad prep. The bottle is made from food-grade BPA-free materials and thick, durable glass, ensuring safety and long-lasting performance. It also includes a wide mouth opening, which makes refilling quick and spill-free. Each spray delivers around 0.2 grams of oil, helping you maintain consistent portion control. The ergonomic handle and forward-facing nozzle design keep your hands clean while providing a smooth, even mist every time. Number 3. SweetView Olive Oil Sprayer for Cooking. We have a practical and health-focused option that combines simplicity with effectiveness. This 2-in-1 design allows you to spray oil for lighter cooking or pour it when needed, making it versatile enough for everyday use. One standout feature is its anti-drip nozzle, which ensures a clean experience without messy leaks or spills. The bottle is made with food-grade materials, including BPA-free components and light protective glass that helps maintain oil freshness over time. It's also designed with health in mind, helping you control oil usage and reduce unnecessary fat intake without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're baking, grilling, or preparing salads, this sprayer keeps things neat, controlled, and efficient. Number 4. FLAIROSOL OLIVIA Signature Advanced Kitchen. If precision is your top priority, this advanced oil sprayer is built to deliver exactly that. It features a fan spray atomizing nozzle that creates an ultra-fine, even mist, ensuring your food gets perfectly coated without excess oil. Each full press dispenses approximately 1 gram of oil, giving you consistent and measurable control. It also includes a built-in filter system that prevents clogging, along with a leak-proof design that keeps your kitchen clean. Made from high-quality glass, this sprayer is durable and easy to refill thanks to its wide opening. It works with a variety of liquids, including olive oil, soy sauce, vinegar, and more, making it a versatile tool for cooking, grilling, baking, and even air frying. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, even during longer cooking sessions. Number 5. Costop Professional 500 milliliters Glass Oil Sprayer. Rounding out the list is a highly versatile 3-in-1 oil sprayer designed for maximum flexibility. This model offers 3 different functions: a quick press fine mist, a gentle press stream, and a traditional pour option with a flip cap. With a 500 milliliter capacity, it's perfect for those who want fewer refills and more convenience. The leak-proof construction ensures no mess, while the lockable design makes it easy to carry for outdoor cooking, BBQs, or picnics. This sprayer is especially great for air fryer users, thanks to its circular mist pattern that evenly coats food for better results. Made from BPA-free food-grade materials, it's safe, durable, and built for long-term use. Plus, the ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to handle, even during extended meal prep. So, those are the top 5 best oil sprayer bottles that can upgrade your cooking experience while helping you stay healthier and more organized in the kitchen. Whether you want precise oil control, larger capacity, or multifunction convenience, there's a perfect option here for your needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart kitchen and tech recommendations.